Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change Xero fiscal year and date. So first, you may want to head over to xero.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top corner of your screen, click on Accounting, then click on Advanced. And from the Advanced settings, click on Financial Settings. And from here, you can see here financial year end. All you have to do is click on the change link and now enter the new fiscal year end date that you want to use. So say for example, we're going to change this to 15th of January. And once everything is done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again in the next one. Bye!